Okay, as I've tried to explain to you guys, buying a house isn't as simple as a down payment, getting monthly payments, and that's it. There are tons and tons of other fees that you're going to have when you own a house. Any repairs that you have to do, for instance, exteriors in Arizona need to be painted every 5 to 10 years. Well, that's a several $1,000 investment. You have a pool, you're going to need to refinish that pool every about 5 to 10 years. That's multiple thousands of dollars. Air conditioners go out 5 to 10 years. An air conditioner can be about $6,000 to $10,000 for a single unit. My house has 2 units, so that'd be a $12,000 fix. You're going to have to repair your roof. You're going to have to replace the windows, replace any carpets every 5 to 10 years. All of these expenses come out to tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. But on top of just repair and normal maintenance, you're going to have other monthly payments that you have to do. For instance, some of you live in a neighborhood that has HOAs, homeowners associations. Homeowners associations are other fees that you have to pay to maintain the common spaces in neighborhoods and ensure that everyone's following the rules. While HOAs sound nice because they maintain the quality of the neighborhood, they could also be quite expensive. I had an HOA that was $150 a month, and there was no community pool or anything for that $150 a month. It was a gated community, and the common spaces were really nice, but still, that's $150 a month that I had to pay that does not go towards my house whatsoever. What are the other things that you're going to have to pay? Well, most certainly you're going to have to do things such as property taxes. Property taxes are what subsidize your guys' tuition. The reason you're paying so little for your tuition is property taxes kick in almost 2/3 of your tuition. So you're actually only paying about 1/3 of the actual cost for you to go to school, and property taxes are paying the other 2/3. So property taxes are used by the city or by the county to do things such as maintain roads, pay police and fire protection, road maintenance, etc. Okay? Any recreational services there are. So property tax is usually an annual expense. So for instance, they might tell you your property taxes is $12,000 for the year. So every single month you would have to pay $1,000. $12,000 a year is a ridiculously high property tax. Usually it'd be closer to about $1,200 for most homes around our college. Okay. What else are you going to need to do? Not only are you going to pay property taxes, but you have to carry minimally, if you have a mortgage, you're going to have to carry fire insurance. If you're in other places, such as California, you would have earthquake insurance. If you're in Florida, you would have to have hurricane insurance. There's a bunch of different insurances that you have to pay. Again, what they're going to do is come up with an annual cost for the insurance and then divide it monthly, and you're going to have to pay that monthly. So not only are you paying your mortgage payment, you're also paying property taxes every month. You also have to pay any insurances that you have, any HOAs you have, etc. So let's look at example 7 here. It says a homeowner has a monthly mortgage payment of $1,145.60, an annual property tax of $1,074, and an annual fire insurance and premium of $600. It says find the total monthly payment for the mortgage, property tax, and fire insurance. So what does this person actually pay a month? Well, first of all, let's look at our monthly payment. Our monthly payment itself is $1,145.60. Okay? On top of that, we need to next find the taxes. Well, the annual taxes was $1,074. So if we do 1,074 divided by 12, that's going to give us our monthly taxes, which is, I'm getting $89.50. We move on now to consider our insurance. It says our annual insurance is $600. So to get our monthly insurance, we would divide that by 12, which gives me a total of $50 that's going towards insurance. So how do I find my total monthly amount that I have to pay? Well, I have to pay my payment plus my monthly tax amount plus my monthly insurance amount. So let's add those together to find that total. I'm going to add $1,145.60 plus the $89.50 plus the $50. This is giving me a total monthly payment of $1,285.10. Again, your mortgage payment was only $1,100, but your actual payment is closer to $1,300. This doesn't include HOAs. This doesn't include mortgage insurance. This includes nothing else. So this is truly just a fraction of what the real cost would be. The real cost that this person had, even though this is their monthly payment of $1,145, almost $1,150, this person would honestly probably be paying closer to $1,500 a month to live in this house. So don't just use these formulas to try to get a monthly payment and think that's what your monthly payment would be. Your true real life monthly payment is significantly higher. Let's look at the next one. It says a homeowner has a monthly mortgage payment of $1,492.89, or an annual property tax bill of $2,332.80, and an annual fire insurance premium of $450. Find the total monthly payment for the mortgage, property tax bill, and fire insurance. So the easy one's the mortgage one, because that's given to us. That's $1,492.89. Now let's look at those taxes. The annual taxes were $2,332.80. We divide that by 12 to make it monthly. I'm getting a monthly amount of $194.40. Then I go ahead and I look at my insurance. The annual insurance was $450. I divide that by 12 to make it the monthly. This gives me a total of $37.50. So now I need to find the total. To find that total, I'm going to add those three numbers together. The monthly payment of $1,492.89, that monthly tax of $194.40, and then that monthly insurance, which is $37.50. Adding all those together, this person paying for this house really has a $1,724.79 payment. So, read my end note here. You'll see I said there are many more fees of owning a home as discussed that are not discussed in this textbook. Other significant fees include the HOA fees, mortgage insurance, and other types of insurance for natural disasters like flood, earthquake, and hurricane. It says this is not to mention endless maintenance and repairs on a house, where you have to paint every 5 to 10 years, appliance breaking, resurfacing pools, landscaping, replacing windows, etc. It says, and any upgrades you would like to do in your home. So to summarize, buying a home is significantly more expensive than just a mortgage payment, and you'll want to do a lot of research before you make the largest financial commitment of your life. If you walk away from a home and you foreclose, it destroys your credit for 7 years. So you should always think of walking away as never an option. A good rule of thumb, I would never, ever consider buying a house unless I plan on being in that house for a minimum of 5 years. If you can't say where you're safely going to be and assure that you're going to have a safe, stable job for the next 5 years, minimum, I would never, ever consider buying a house. I hope that helps you in your home buying process.